Hey guys, I'm Philly Fit Francis. Some of you guys may know me from Instagram, but now I'm making my way over to YouTube here and I'm hoping to make it out here. Today in this video, I want to show you a breakfast idea and my step-by-step process on how I make it. So let's get started. All right, so this morning I decided I would like to make some waffles. So we're gonna pick some protein waffles here. I usually do chocolate chip, but you know what? I think I'm gonna mix it up and we're gonna try blueberry waffles. Okay, so as you can see, the waffles are a good source of protein. It's packed with 12 grams. On the back, oh wait, it also advertises 100% whole grains. And then also, if you look at the nutrition facts, which you should always do, I'm going to make a video specifically on like knowing what things in your home are good to eat and how you should change that if you're really into getting into a better nutrition. But that aside, you can see that, okay, it has 11 grams of fat. Not really the most ideal, but you can see that the saturated fat is low. So most likely is the healthy fat. And we got a good source of carbs here with the fiber that we want. I'll go more into detail in a separate video. Whole grains, it's a source of healthy carbs and has protein, but since I'm a fitness instructor personally, I do want more protein. Since there's already a lot of fat in it, the healthy fats, I'm not going to do normal eggs. I'm doing my egg whites here. Got Bowl and Basket 100% liquid egg whites. And it sounds corny, right, without the yolk, but it can be pretty good too. Even this one looks like yolk, even though it's just food coloring. And it's egg. So here are my liquid egg whites here. To make sure it's not just only the liquid egg whites, I'm going to spice it up a little bit. So I got my spring mix here. I usually have this when I make eggs in general, or just even if I make dinner. Like, I think it's always good to add this extra source of fiber, but also it has vitamins and minerals, which you don't get as much from like eating stuff like waffles or even eggs. I mean, there's like a little bit, right? But it's not as much. It mainly gives you oh, well, this one has a lot, actually, to be honest. So I guess it depends which one you go for. Yeah, my greens here are the extra source of vitamins. And then also, we do have a lot in this. There's a little bit of vitamins and minerals in the waffles, but now it feels more balanced, right? Last thing I'm grabbing is an onion. I love onions in my omelets. That gives it, to me, an extra kick and texture, and I love the taste. So I'm gonna chop up some of these. My cat's saying hi to us. He's like, make me some food too. Alright, so now that we have our food materials, let's grab our cooking materials. So now I have everything I need. I have the pan to fry my stuff in. I have my chopping board, bowl I'm gonna eat in, and of course, I'm cooking with olive oil. Oil cooking spray is definitely a good alternative instead of using butter or just straight up olive oil from the bottle. This is for fat-free cooking, so for anyone with weight loss goals, this definitely is recommended. So I'm about to start cooking. It's 2:26. Just out of curiosity, let's see how long this takes. while the eggs are doing their thing, let's pop these bad boys in the toaster. We pressed the frost since it was in the freezer, and also what you call it? Put this on. Well, my toaster does it for nice medium heat. I also like to start making some tea, hot water for tea, and that's what I'll be end up drinking. So before this ends up burning on us, let's get the egg whites going in this. So I'm using both because the one is low. Give you guys a better look. See? It's good. Now I'm gonna add some seasonings and mix her up scrambled style. So I just turned off the stove. It's pretty done. I also forgot, I do like a little bit of cheese. Even though this meal is gonna have a bit of fat in it, I do wanna add this in there, at least a little bit. Sprinkle it on there, boom. Just one little handful is necessary. Mix it up real quick, a little bit. Just, you know, getting the cheese a little more mixed in there. Tea, I'm gonna drink Cherry Blossom flavor by Harlan Sons. My sister actually got this, but they have really awesome teas. It's a little pricey, but we're gonna make sure to take the coffee cup out here that my sister left in. I mean, it is a coffee maker, but I like to use it for water. Gotta get myself a tea kettle, guys. I do like 10 ounces, so whatever you like. I definitely suggest getting into tea if you haven't already. There's different kinds of flavors, you know? So you can always add honey to it. It doesn't have to be bitter, but I choose to like mine without any extra sugar or anything. Of course, if you like coffee, that's also doable as well. You don't have to do tea. Look at our waffles, looking all crispy. So I'm actually gonna butter it up a little bit with some Smart Balance. I've been forgetting materials. I just forgot the cheese and the butter, so it's okay, but it's all right. Now we have the butter, so if you didn't grab that already, grab it now.
Alright, so here I go, buttering this up. This might be actually a lot. I usually sort of overdo it with butter, to be honest. But I'm trying to get into a healthier mode with all this myself, to be honest. Oop, okay, so that's good. Oop. Yeah, sorry, this is my first time really trying to go even more in depth with the video. I don't know, I'm slacking today, I guess, overall. So I do make what I eat in a day videos. This should not be anything new for me. But yeah.
Also, our last thing, which is sugar-free syrup. So I know some people, they don't like to have any syrup on their waffles, they'll just eat it with a little bit of butter, but I sort of like to swear by this. If you're someone who has a sweet tooth in general, it's sugar-free, and I love that it's like, yeah, barely low in carbs and sodium. I don't know, there's some controversies about Splenda. But I don't know, to my knowledge, it's alright. I might want to do more research on that myself. That's linked to cancer and such, but I don't know. I haven't heard too many people that use it currently, like with issues. So I guess we'll see. You know, there's always options for other things. But this is at least the option with the least amount of sugar. There it goes, splashing it on there. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, that's good. And last but not least, so we're almost there, y'all. And we'll see what time it is. I'm curious how long this actually took me. I used to take longer than most people anyways to do things, so I can guarantee, in my opinion, I think this is a faster meal to make. Okay, so let's take a look at her. Gorgeous, right? Ooh, yum. Yeah, so here we go with the whole grains, with fiber. We have the healthy carbs in here, some vitamins and minerals from the spring mix. We have our protein. This is what I would generally love to eat for breakfast multiple times a week. Look, it's 2:48, so I guess it took about like, what, 20 minutes? I said it took a little bit of extra time just shifting things around, so I'd say it takes around like 15-20 minutes. It doesn't take too long, and it's definitely worth it. If you eat fast, then, you know, if you have somewhere to go at 4, you'll be done at 3. All right, so we have everything here. Have my tea here, green tea, cherry blossom flavor. I have my waffles, my eggs. This is what I eat in a day. Something I would eat multiple times a week. Let's see, there's other options, but this is definitely one of my favorite meals. I suggest trying it out. It honestly really does not take that long. Even if you hate the whole onion cutting process, you can always cut it earlier in the week if you do some meal prep for other meals throughout the week, which I actually do recommend. But I'll go further into that in a separate video that will go more into detail about how to know what foods in your fridge or in your cabinets, like what is good, you know, what to keep, what to continue, and maybe what things to start substituting out so you can be able to have a healthy and balanced diet. I tried to not go too much into detail while making this. I tried to make it like a little less about the logistics of health and fitness, eating healthy, and more about just what I eat and why and like what I look out for. Yeah, I can go more into detail about that for sure, because I know a lot of people are looking to know like, okay, what's, you know, would be good to eat, what's not good to eat, like what should I sacrifice? Some people are really serious about changing their diet. So but this is a good general idea, and hopefully you guys will be interested in that and you like this. All right, now I'm gonna enjoy my breakfast at 2 p.m. I'm a night owl. All right, bye guys. See you next time. Oh yes, and don't forget to please like, comment, share, subscribe, whatever you can do. It'll help me get out there more. I really believe in wanting to help people in the health industry and the wellness field, and I want to make a difference myself. So it's the best way for me to reach other people. Just please like, subscribe, share, whatever you can. Guys, bye.